Miss Jeannine from the North Columbus Library. Today I'm up in my kids' tree house to read you a book about trees and the Starry Giraffe. But before I do, I want to let you know that our friends at Columbus Dinner Divas shared a fun recipe that you can try with apples at home. This is the Starry Giraffe by Andy Bergman. He wrote and illustrated it. The Starry Giraffe stumbled upon a plump apple tree. She was very hungry. The giraffe searched for the most delicious looking apple and plucked it off. Just when she opened up to take a big bite, a little brown mouse popped out of his hole. "I'm very hungry," squeaked the mouse, "but I am much too little to reach those delicious apples." "Here you go," said the giraffe. "Thank you," said the mouse as he moused back into his hole. The Starry Giraffe turned to find the second most delicious looking apple on the tree. She picked a round, rosy red one that smelled so good she could just about taste it. When she just about tasted it, a family of skunks scurried up. The giraffe presented them each with an apple. The excited skunk family jumped all about. That was very kind of her. All this apple picking made the Starry Giraffe feel quite tired. An old gray bunny thumped up. The giraffe gave him an apple. A raccoon followed. One apple for him. The snake got two. Can you see those two apples in that snake's belly? And a rhino carried off one in his lunchbox to eat later. The Starry Giraffe was hungrier than ever. Only one lonely apple remained on the tree. She looked around to see if anyone else might arrive. It was all quiet. Whoa! The giraffe stretched up high and picked the last apple. Then she noticed a tiny inchworm staring up with a hungry face. Worms quite enjoy apples, so she gave him the final one. That was so nice of her, and she's so hungry. The giraffe's stomach rumbled. She felt tired and a little sad. And that is the saddest giraffe I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Poor Starry. After a few moments of rest, the Starry Giraffe stood up tall. She walked to the next tree and ate 27 apples.
She's eating all those apples.
She is eating all of them. Sometimes you just gotta look around and look for the good things, huh? She had just been concentrating on that one tree, and now she can eat for days. So I hope you enjoyed that. And again, I hope you enjoy trying the recipe from our friends at Columbus Dinner Divas. Have a good day.
Inspirational.
Exceptional.
High tech.
Organizing.
Huh? Oh,
Reading it. Warm and fuzzy.
Suspenseful.
Reading is musical.
Out of this world. Mom, you're safe!
Reading is everything.
The Summer Reading Challenge.
We're open. Check us out.